Hello friends, so in this video I'm going to give you a review about a course which is refrigeration and air conditioning, or usually short formed as RAC. So this is a mechanical engineering uh, course, and this is more core to applied thermal sciences. And this is a disciplinary elective course for students in BITS-COA. So that's information specific to BITS-COA students. So let's go into this course. So for this, I'll give you the outline. I'll first cover the major topics in this course, then give you some resources to from where you can study the theory and practice questions for the exam. And then lastly, we'll go to the fields of application. So this is a four video series in which I'm going to discuss these four courses of power plant engineering, quality control, assurance, and reliability, refrigeration and air conditioning, which is this one, and in the last we'll go for the mechanical equipment design. So for this course of refrigeration and air conditioning, which is short formed usually as RAC, so this is a major part of HVAC system. So the HVAC system means heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and then sometimes we say HVAC and R. So that includes refrigeration part also. So this is complete package of applied thermal sciences where we take cooling and human thermal comfort into account. So the major topics in this course are the fundamentals. So this fundamental starts from basic chemistry to basic thermodynamics and applied thermodynamics. So you should be clear with all the fundamentals. And even if you are not clear with all fundamentals, or if you do not remember those, sir or professor, so this course is taken by Siddharth Tripathi, sir. So he will make sure you understand all the fundamentals. So he start from the recalling part of all fundamentals and then go into the theory of actual discourse. So actually then we start with vapor compression system, then we have refrigerants. So in the vapor compression system, so fluid moves or fluid flows, so those are called as refrigerants. So they'll go into some details or the theory of refrigerants. You can expect one question of theory from refrigerants part. Then a counterpart of vapor compression system, we have another vapor absorption system. Then there are parts of refrigerator. So in a refrigerator, there are majorly four parts: condenser, compressor, then heat exchanger, and pressure reducing valve. So he'll go into details of all these four components in much detail, like how can we design this equipment, that is also discussed. Then the last is the psychometry, so that depends on how the thermal comfort is. And then the designing, so how do we design home, how much space of windows should be kept, how much heat can we gain from sun. So all those things, very practical things, are included in this course. So I am sure you will love this course. Then the major resources are definitely the lectures, because the professor is an excellent professor. You will gain a lot of knowledge if you remain regular and attentive. So sir would ask some questions while not giving your names, but if you answer them, even if wrong or right, that doesn't matter. But if you keep engaged with him, you will gain a lot extra knowledge from him. Then from textbook you can study theory, but majorly the textbook has questions. So you can use CP Arora textbook, and from there you can practice questions which you may find the same as in question papers also. And so the applications area, everywhere wherever we see applied thermal sciences. So now as the temperature is getting higher and global warming is a problem, a lot is possible in applied thermal sciences, improving the efficiencies of engine, improving the efficiency of air conditioning. So there is a lot limitless application areas of this subject. We already see there is an energy crisis, and there are cases coming where the complete nations are blackout and there is no coal, there is no energy, and there are no electricity. So evaluation scheme, so make sure there is, so the professor will make sure there is one project work, and in the project work you can discuss with him if you are not getting any ideas. He is very supportive, but in that project work he'll need one presentation, and he may take some couple of questions after the presentation, or take a viva separately. And the midsem and comprehensive exams are as per what he teaches in the classroom. So make sure you attend lectures. Okay. So that's all we have with regarding to refrigeration and air conditioning course. Thank you.